We have new DeWalt logos at the lows. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, yes, I did go to Love's. I will be putting out a video tomorrow, letting you guys know what the deals I found at the store itself. Yes, guys, this is a 20 volt max SDS variable speed cordless rotary hammer. Yes, we used to have a buy one get one free, but now it's you buy the tool and get yourself a free gift with purchase. So what you do is I'm gonna leave you guys the links to all these down in the description section. So $2.19. You click here on learn more. Slow, sorry. Then you got you're gonna get this for free. So this is a 5 amp hour lithium power tool for free, or battery. So you're gonna select add to the cart. And do apologize, my dogs are barking right now. So subtotal $2.19 with the free tool or with the free battery. All right, so that's one of them. Another one is you can get this one too. I don't know if you can get the same. Find out in just a second. All right, on this one it seems like this is the extreme. So on this one you do get to select more extreme tools. This is the 12 volt, by the way. This is not the 20 volts. You get to select for the 3/8 brushless cordless hammer drill, the 12 volt variable speed brushless reciprocating saw. It's a 1/2 inch impact wrench, the cordless rotary hammer, the 3/8 cordless impact wrench, the 5 3/8 circular saw, or the 4-piece. It says 4-piece. 12 volts variable speed, also the Moza toolkit case. So on this one, you get the kit. That's just weird. You guys might want to try it out with that one. See exactly what you get with that one, because if you do get the kit, I gotta see exactly what's included with this thing. It's not letting me do it. Alright, yeah, it's kind of laggy. I don't know what's going on with it's even slow. Alright. So it's laggy. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they're gonna fix this or not. Alright, the next one down, you can get the multi-tool and get yourself a free gift. The 5 amp hour battery. Alright, and then this one you got the impact driver. That's it, guys. Just want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.